we now have one united, indivisible APC with a common objective to deliver 100% for all the elective offices in 2027 under the able leadership of Senator Diri. And so today I'm very happy to be here amongst all of you, as members of the APC family, to say that we now have one united, indivisible APC. Your Excellency, thank you very much for your leadership. And I want to encourage all of us as leaders to please mobilize our supporters to register as members of the APC so we can predetermine how many votes we will bring for the party in 2027.
No, nobody is coming to take over. We are coming to work together. We need to forgive one another. Bayelsa APC, that is what we all need today. This is the time for us to come together. When you remove hatred and bitterness, you will always progress. When you forgive, you will always progress. And I pray that this gathering today will bring progress to Bayelsa State.
I want to formally move that as we are gathered here, all of us, from the governor to the senator to the minister, have agreed that Bola Ahmed Tinubu stands to be our only qualified candidate for the presidency. I so move.
All those in support of the motion, say hi.